Okay. We're going to apply that to this section here. We're not going to do them all, or I'm not going to do them all. You will, of course. But to rewrite each exponential as a log, that means we're going to take this concept that we discovered early on here, and we're going to rewrite it as a log with a certain base. Now the base 2 is going to be the base of our log. It's kind of a little subscript. And then we don't want to say it's 2 to a power of x. It's not what the base here is all about. So fight the urge to make it try and look like this. What you want is the 16 to show up here, and then the exponent's going to end up on the other side. So basically equals x here. So as we did up here, 2 to the power of x equals 16 is how you want to rewrite this thing here. Now, when I say solve for x, it might be better just to kind of look back to here, but in reality, you're saying 2 to what power is 16? Well, the answer to that's 4. Now, there's some other questions here that like number 12, the rewrite is just the same thing. You're saying log base 4 of 1/4 equals x. Okay, the rewrite might become easier than answering the question, because now I'm saying x to what power is equal to 1/4. Well, you're taking a 4 and you're flipping it over. Well, what type of exponent flips it? Well, it's a negative. Okay, so if you say, and the 4 doesn't only changes to a 1/4, so the value doesn't change, you just want it flipped, so that means it's a -1, because you raise it to the negative first power, it becomes a fraction, basically, essentially. Something like this. What to the 9th power is equal to 1? Well, that's a good question. I guess, well, let's do it like this. Log base x of 1 equals 9. X to the 9th power equals 1. The only thing that'll remain 1 is 1. So that's got to be a 1 there. 1 to the 9th is equal to 1. And then lastly, let's do this just because it's one of those types of things. You're taking log base 5 of 1/25, and that's equal to x. So you're saying 5 to what power? What do you got to do to a 5 to not only flip it over and then make it a 25? Well, 5 squared is 25, right? But if it's going to be flipped over in the process, you want that to be a negative.